is known as theodolite. Okay? So today we are going to know how to set up theodolite on the ground, and for that purpose we fix the instrument on the stand, right? So now onwards, whatever we are going to do, that is known as temporary adjustment of theodolite. Write down: temporary adjustment of theodolite. Okay. So there are three major steps for temporary adjustment of theodolite. Step number one, write down, step number one is centering. Step number two, leveling. And step number three is removing parallax. In other words, we can say eliminating parallax. So removing parallax is the third and last step. Okay. So now we are going to do the first step, that is centering. So we all know, like centering in prismatic compass, how we do the centering?
With the help of compass.
With the knot. In prismatic compass, we are using stone. We drop the stone from here to the peg, right? But in this case, we are going to use plumb bob for that purpose, right? So first of all, I want a definition of centering. What is centering?
The process of setting the instrument horizontally over the station in such a way that it will
Right. So setting out instrument exactly over the station marked on the ground is known as centering. And for that purpose, you can see here, instrument is already centered because the plumb bob is exactly over the station mark. So now the instrument position we can say station O, right? So step number two, leveling. Okay. In leveling, again I want to remind you that in level, whenever we use the auto level, right? So at that time, what we did over there is, first of all, bubble tube we adjust against two foot screw number 1 and 2. This is known as foot screw, right? So after keeping the bubble tube exactly parallel to the line joining foot screw number 1 and 2. Now, most important thing is, turn the foot screw either inside or either outside. And by that way, we are adjusting bubble exactly at the center of bubble tube. See, now it's in the center. So for one direction, bubble is in the center. Now, swing the theodolite. Swinging. You all know, right? Swinging. Swing the theodolite and keep this position is perpendicular to the previous position. We have previous position this way. Now we are keeping the bubble tube in this position. So that is exactly perpendicular to the previous position. So now turn this one. Turn this one. Okay. Previously we used screw number 1 and 2. Now other than that, that is screw number 3, and with the help of this one we are adjusting bubble at the center. So I think now it is in the center. Good. So for further, again turn or swing the telescope to the previous position and check if bubble is in the center, then leveling is okay. So now it is in the center, so leveling is okay. So step number 2 is over. Now for step number 3, earlier in level also we discussed that for step number 3, removing parallax means it includes two important things. Write down. First one is focusing the eyepiece. Focusing the eyepiece. And number 2 is focusing the object. Okay? Focusing the object. Now, in this instrument, this is known as telescope, right? So, in telescope, this part is known as eyepiece. So first we are going to adjust the eyepiece in such a way that if we put white blank paper over here and turn the eyepiece, and if crosshair is clearly visible through the eyepiece, then your eyepiece is adjusted, right? So do you guys have any white blank paper? Okay. So I just put this blank paper over here. Now I am adjusting the eyepiece. See, anybody, you can check. Crosshairs are clearly visible or not? Crosshairs are clearly visible or not? Visible, right? So now eyepiece is focused already. So now onwards, throughout the whole practical, no need to touch eyepiece because it is already focused. Now our next step is focus the object. So now swing the telescope and put towards the object. Whatever object we put, for example, if we put the ranging rod, then we sight the ranging rod and then use the focusing screw. This is known as focusing screw, right? So with the help of focusing screw, focus the object. So in this case, we are focusing the corner of that wall. So it is clearly visible. Check it again. Okay? Okay. So now temporary adjustment procedure is almost over. So now this instrument is ready to take any observation, right? So this is what about the today's topic. Thank you.